Here is my Chefman. I push the button, it lights up blue at the bottom, and once it starts to boil, it will start to make noise. It's been 13 seconds and you can hear it starting to heat up and rumble. Now it's at 22 seconds. And I'm just going to do it so you can see how quick it actually heats up, especially if you're going to use pasta or something to that effect. So I touched it. It's not warm yet. It's warm, but it's not hot yet. And that's at 56 seconds. So the rumbling has picked up because it's starting to get hot. So now we're at 1 minute and 16 seconds and it's boiling. You could probably drink your tea now. So I don't know if you can hear the rumble or not. Trying to get you the full from the distance. And I'm touching it. It's still warm. It shows the purple glow because at the bottom it's the blue like light showing when it's on. So the handle is like a plastic. It's a plastic, so you don't have to worry about it being too hot. It's plastic. It has a removable top. It has a filter in where you pour. I'm going to show you that. So there's a filter in there where you can actually pour it. So nothing can like fly in there. Not that it would, but you know. So it's at a full boil now. So it's boiling at 3 minutes. It's at a full rumble, and I don't know. In a few seconds, it's just going to automatically shut off. So if it gets too hot, it will shut off itself. And if you like your tea piping hot, it will be that. You'll be able to put it in a regular cup and walk around and do whatever you do, and it will still be hot. And I just wanted you to see how the rumbling is, how it really boils. So if you're going to use it for pasta, or if you're baking potatoes or eggs or whatever you're going to boil something, sometimes I'll just put it in here. And the maximum that it holds is 1.8 liters, and the minimum is 0.5 of a liter. So it's rumbling. It automatically shut off. You notice you no longer see the blue light, and that's the Chefman. I call it the teapot. I don't know because I use it for tea, but it's great for everything. Enjoy. As y'all can see, I have the water in the kettle. I love the light up thing. It doesn't take long to get hot at all. But my one complaint, listen, you know, as you hear it making a noise, it's going to get hot fast. My one and only complaint is this area here. The water kind of leaks a little bit here. I'm not sure why. You can dry it out. And you put it back on, start it back up. A hot second later, and you lift it up, it'll be wet again. It get hot fast, like that is so cool. I just don't like the fact that it leaks. And again, there's still water. Like, I don't know what's going on with that.
Okay, so it's done boiling. I put it directly on the countertop so you can see that it's not hot. And this just comes off. See, it's hot. I don't know if you can see any of the steam. It's very hot though. Yeah. And you can put it directly back on the kettle. Little light turns it on and it glows. Very aesthetically pleasing. Get it. You won't be disappointed. And the water's still hot, so it's going to boil a lot faster.
very, very good. The best in the market. Trust me. Buy it.
But we get like these, they're called WS dollars.